Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry it's been a little bit since I've actually uploaded a few videos, or I uploaded one last week, but I feel like I'm not uploading as much as I should. So we're gonna try to get better at that, but there's just a lot going on with life and wedding and everything. So we're gonna take it a little slow. We're gonna slow down a little bit and sit down, film a video, and yeah, because I put out a poll on Instagram. If you do not follow me on Instagram, go follow me over there. I'll make sure I put everything down below for you to go follow me. But I put a poll on Instagram asking you guys what you would like to see, what would you like me to do, things like that. And so that is my best way to keep up with you guys and to see what you want to see. So this was the one that was actually everyone had yeses for this. I'm actually going to show you so that way you know I'm not lying. So let's pull that up right here. Okay, so you asked me, I said, do you want me to use the Kylie Jordyn Friendship Palette? And 12 of y'all, can y'all even see that? 12 of y'all said yes to it. So that is why I'm filming it today. The next closest one was trying KKW Beauty. Now, I had 11 yeses and 2 no's on that one. And then for Fall Libby videos, it was 9 yeses and 1 no. And then for the dark and dramatic look, it was 9 yeses and 2 no's. So, I mean, I think those were pretty good. So that's why I decided to do the Kylie and Jordyn, I'm trying to call her Jordy because that's what Kylie calls her, but I know it's Jordyn palette. Now, I'm going to put my phone down now that we're done talking about it, and I'm going to show you the box. See, Jordyn and Kylie. I find that really weird. They probably should have flip-flopped them because, look, Kylie's name is right here, and then Jordyn's name is right there. So I probably should have flip-flopped that, but it's still cute packaging, and I love it. And this is actually a gift from my best friend Elizabeth, and I'll probably put in a picture of me and her in this video if she lets me. I might have to ask her permission, but she's been my best friend since college. We literally met our freshman year. We literally met our freshman year in our sorority. We were both tryouts. And she, it was funny because how we became friends is because we actually knew of each other just like in the sorority, but we weren't actually friends. And then I asked to go on spring break with somebody, and she was like, hey, we need an extra person. Do you want to go? And so, oops, the rest is history from there. We hung out at spring break and became best friends after that. Oh my gosh, I keep like dropping this palette. Like, I should probably put it down. Let's put it down. So anyways, she is my best friend, and she got this for me for my, as a gift at my bachelorette party, and I would have probably cried in front of everybody if no one was there because it was just so sweet, and I love her, and yeah. So if you're watching this, Elizabeth, I love you. I love you, bestie. Anyways, so let's get into this palette. Now, of course, I've already opened it because I had to look at it. Come on. You have to look inside of it. So, and then on the front it says Kylie and Jordyn. Oh, this mirror is huge. So I'm going to try not to blind you. Comes a little paper thing. And then there are the shades. Very pretty. There's like a huge mirror. You can see on my desk. Hey. But that is a huge mirror. And it comes with, let's see, 12 shades. I'm sorry, I can't count today. All right, we're gonna go through these shades. I'm gonna tell you which ones they are. This is Wife Life, Loyal, True Love, Peru, Soulmate, and My Heart. And down below is Love You Be, Wild Love, Marry Me, Ride or Die, Sister, and Don't Ever Leave Me. So these are some really pretty shades, and I'm excited to play with them. I'm probably I'm leaning more towards like this, like 4 right here, just because I like the purpley shades. I don't know, I could probably do something here, but I just don't know. Like, this shade has a more like green tone to it, and look how pretty that is. Let's watch it. Let's see. Ooh, that is so pretty. I barely like even got along on that. That's really pretty. It's like a, I don't know, that's so pretty. But guys, Kylie is like killing it. Do you see that? Oh, so pretty. Okay, so I've just put some concealer on my eyes, and so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in, I'm gonna take the shade Wife Life right here, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. Oh, as a kind of a base color. I'm gonna go in with Soulmate right here. It's a little bit of a cooler tone, and it has like purple undertones in it, so figured that'd be great for a transition shade. I'm gonna hit my Beyonce. The next shade I'm actually gonna go into is this My Heart shade, and I'm gonna put that in the crease as well, but not as high as that other shade. The next shade I'm gonna go into is this bottom shade, this corner shade, and that's Love You, with the bad word at the end of it. And I'm gonna put that in my outer corner. Go back in with that purple shade in My Heart, and I just want this like top shade to be really purpley, like, and so it's noticeable. I'm just gonna go back in with Soulmate and then blend it out. I'm gonna go in with my finger into Wild Love and put that just on, kind of not towards the inner corner. I'm gonna put it like sort of, I guess, in the middle. I'm gonna be a bit like bold and go into Marry Me and put that more on the inner corner. I'm gonna take a brush with it though. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and go put on the rest of my makeup so I can come back and finish the eyes, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, we are going to wrap this eye look up because I need to, it's almost time for me to go to bed and I'm doing this at 9 times. So I'm really sad because it's actually, this look has turned out pretty freaking awesome. So I'm going to go in with the purpley shade closer to my lash line, my lower lash line. I'm actually going to take the Kylie mirror. And the next thing I'm actually going to do is I'm going to take the orangey shade in, what is this? Peru. And I'm going to blend that out with the orangey color. Can y'all tell what I did? That I blended it out with that orange shade. I just went in with this is a nude eyeliner in the color Risqué, and it's from MAC. And I went in it with into my waterline to like brighten that up. And now I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of mascara. Okay, you guys, I think we figured out the lip combination. I went in with Beige Babe from Maybelline. And I'm just going to swatch this really quick for y'all so y'all can see what it looks like. It is a peachy nudie shade. So, don't you love it when people use like peachy nudie shades? And then I went in with a little bit of this Wet n Wild gloss. And this is like so shiny, so glittery. I mean, it's not glittery, it's more shimmery, but it's so pretty. So those are the lip combos I went in with, and I'm just now gonna wipe these off. So anyways, this palette was super fun to film with. As you can see, it got a little crazy, and I actually counted. I went in with 7 shades. So I went in with all 6 of these right here, and then this one right here. This palette is bomb. I appreciate my best friend Elizabeth getting me that palette because, yeah, it just means everything to me, and I'm so excited that this look came out so great. And so yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up at the end of it and let me know that you did like it, and also subscribe and become a part of the Kylie Mangrum family. Hey, but also, side note, it is no longer going to be the Kylie Mangrum family in 47 days. What are we going to do? Should I keep Kylie Mangrum, or should I just leave my name Kylie Mangrum on it, or should I keep Kylie Kinder? I'm probably going to have to keep Kylie Mangrum because that's what people know me as on YouTube. So, all my 62 subscribers now. Hey! Hi, if you're new here, I'm Kylie. And so, yeah. I think that I'm just rambling right now, so I need to go to bed and go wash this off. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and don't forget to do all the things like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.